Hi, this is Ron Hirschkorn from ChooseTerm.com. A common question that people ask me is, which is the best life insurance company to work with? People are concerned, obviously, when they buy a life insurance policy, that the insurance company that's insuring and protecting their family, they want to make sure that they're going to be around in 10, 15, 20, 30 years or more. So it's important to ask the question of which is the best company to work with. And the answer is there are some things to look for to find which companies you want to work with. At ChooseTerm.com, we only work with highly rated companies. What do I mean by that? There are independent companies that have nothing to do with the insurance companies, for example, AM Best and S&P, that rate the financial strength of insurance companies. So what I encourage you to do is, if you've been recommended a specific company, go on the company's website and look at their About Us page. Typically they'll have an area where they list what their AM Best rating is. What you want to look is anything at least above an A- all the way up to an A or an A++. These are superior and excellent ratings, and that's what you should be looking for. You should also read a little bit about the history of the company, how long they've been around, and how much insurance, life insurance, they have in force. At ChooseTerm.com, we work with 30 different companies or more that specialize in life insurance and are very highly rated companies. Now, in terms of which one of those companies is going to be best suited for you, really depends on a number of factors. Depending on your health situation, depending on your age, the type of policy that you're looking for, we're going to help you find a really highly rated company at the best possible rate. So if you're looking for a policy, for example, that doesn't require medical, there's some specific companies that we work with that don't require medicals that are highly rated and will help you choose the best one at the best price. If you're looking for a company that, for example, if you have diabetes, then there are some companies that are going to be more favorable to you. If you smoke cigars, if you're a marijuana smoker, if you're a scuba diver, there's going to be certain things, certain companies that are going to be more favorable to you based on your specific condition or situation. So there isn't one company that's the best life insurance company out there. The benefit of working with ChooseTerm.com is that we're an independent broker. We don't have any allegiance to one life insurance company. So as opposed to working with a captive agent that typically only works with one company, at ChooseTerm.com we work with over 30 different companies to help you find the best company for you specifically. Now, if you've been recommended a company and you're not happy with that company and you've already done a medical, typically if your medical has been done within the last 90 days, you can get a lab slip from the company that did the medical. You can request that from your agent or from the medical examiner that did your medical, and you can submit that to another insurance company without having to do the medical again, and we can help you do that. So if you're looking for insurance, if you're trying to figure out which is the best company for you, visit our website, ChooseTerm.com, or call us, 800-574-0245. My extension is 101. You can speak directly to me. My name is Ron Hirschkorn. Thank you.